What gonna get me opinionated peeps? Now people drop this preacher lady a little snippet of one of our videos over there on Unstoppable TV, and everybody has said, yo, we want more, we want more, we want more because we love our vibe, we love our energy. Well, me decided, alright, then I'm gonna do just that. I'm gonna give no one to ask for. But family, this one right here is a little bit sad though, because she talked about the life she endured as a child growing up at the hands of her very own mother. And family, when me tell you say it's sad, me feel her pain. Now, you know, growing up as a Jamaican child, you know, all people used to have this saying where they must say, yo, we nah spare the rod and spoil the child. Yeah, them used to love beat. Me don't know about now still, but back then, yeah. Anyway, that's what she talk about right here. Make we take a listen to her giving her testimony.
That woman was just evil. That woman was just evil. Sometimes my grandparents have to say, here or Dana up there murder me sister. Because she couldn't do it no more because I left and my grandfather when they come find me under the tree asleep. My grandfather said, come down at the house. She beat me when he couldn't do me no more. He beat Dana, you must suffer. You have to suffer. I'm your beg God. Give your long life. Make you feel back every pain where you make me feel. Hey, when you look sometime, my skin swell up so with lump. How the woman beat me. When you look at my sister, when you look at my sister's skin, so she now go talk, me talk fear. Me go through the worst time, push it sticking on me vagina, tell blood a run. That woman that beat me in my face with that guava tick, tell me lip bust up. What guava stick where that the woman there are pimenta wood. The woman go look the biggest guava pani guava tree and cut it. And when you sprout pani, the woman beat you so when you can dig out your flesh. That the woman have to suffer. He have to suffer. He have to suffer. You hear what I said? My sister knows say no lie me I tell. You know say no lie me I tell. So when you hear nobody I go say, them hear me attack, you need to tell them say truth me attack. Sometimes me hear my sister out there, me ball. Me remember one night me grab her one knife. If my grandfather was alive today, Dana can't talk. Me said, I remember one day I have to look at him and say, if you put back your hand on him, me I kill you. Our wickedness then when to suck him out today. A wicked. She beat me. She murdered me. She abused me and she do it to the same to me other sister. That woman is a demon from hell. Tell her, I said I'm going to kill you. For you put me through. And I remember when I was going to do it. The Sunday morning me end up at the Holiness Church in a Kingston up at East Queen Street near the Greener Company. You know, most who live at Kingston must know that Holiness Church. And the morning, God was a 14-year-old girl to call me out. The little girl said, God said to tell you, forgive your mother. If you don't forgive your mother, I'm going to give you strokes. Me said, God have to go kill me because I not forgive her. God have to go kill me. And I walk well at the altar. And I see her, she start to sing this song. You don't have to worry. And she said, I remember what she said to me. And at that, I'm being through it. She said, God said to tell you, He will be your mother, your father, for the rest of your life. So none of you will do me no can't kill me. Because God and my father and my mother. And when she said that to me, I felt that tears drop from my eyes. It was like a marble. It was like a marble that dropped from my eyes. And now when she said that, me still say me not forgive her. And I right at the gate front, God put me on my knee. And now she said, forgive your mother. Me say me not forgive her same way. And then I felt death. Who don't know death? Me can't tell you what death feel like. Every part of my body dead except my mouth. And the tears are run out of me eye upon the concrete. God, you're no witness. And the tears are run out of me eye corner. My hand can't move, my foot can't move. And all I hear she a ball and them a beat the ground. Forgive her. And I was there. And everybody a ball I could hear she dead now. And the only thing could have fly out of my mouth. I forgive my mother, and that is when I go like this. And God put back his breath. So when you not come talk about forgiveness, just leave me alone. Leave me alone. I didn't have nobody to talk for me. Well, now I'm going to be a talker for others who want to talk but don't know to talk. Thousands of messages I'm getting every day. Pastor, thanks. Pastor, thank you. You don't know who it's helping when I speak. It's not helping you. So leave me alone. But it's helping who it should help. And I'm telling all of you, we are fight against me. God, I go fix your business. It not help you because you're a hypocrite. And because I know who no God I use. I nobody for no. So now fight. God did not choose Uno. Uno educated and can speak well, but he don't choose Uno. Can't pride and no compromise. Uno not go talk it as all me a chat it. You understand me? Uno not nobody for help. You understand me? But God have me who to help. And many are on this line tonight. Many are on this line. Many are on this line. That woman, what she did to me. And when those 4 men take their turns with me, my womb was damaged. My womb was damaged. And doctor said I have to take out my womb. Where were you people? Where killed me? Christmas, Easter, New Year's. I have nothing to eat. Been a helper. Abused. I have hemorrhage in a people's workplace. Bleed half bowl of blood. Where was she? With man while me out there I suffer. And I look at that, I said, I'm not taking out my womb. And I remember I would be in pain. Nobody knows. God have healed me. Go back to doctor. Doctor said, your womb all right. What happened? I said, I've been to Jesus Christ. What no did there? You know we are killing. You see, all I know we are coming and can talk about Lego me mother, me eat me mother, me no pastor, me no this. Me tell you already. Pastor no dey on my birth paper. And me go through where me go through. I know uno. Uno come off of me now say me cuss bad word. I know uno come for me about mother. If me never contact, how you know? If Latano did have a story to tell, life would be better. And the more no cuss me and class me, the more people are come. No see me come on no live, no see me come on no video, no see me come and at this on no left and no left and come and dip on me for what? For what? For what? And Latano we are fight me. Can't fight the friend then we are fight Latano we are come pa me line and come say hey this and ace that. Can't fight the Jezebel we take man. Can't fight the Delilah them. A lot of woman strength have. You understand me? Can't fight who we are fighting. And yet, so forgiving. So, where you use the word now? Forgiving. Have so much love. But yet, I know God I use. God I use. The same strength you have for me. Find it for who are fight Find it for who are fight You understand me? Find it for who are fight You hear what I said? Find it for who are fight and leave me alone.
When you get to me, I say, right? I feel our pain, family. It was real. Now, to the people them way, love it jump down people throat when them hear them talking about their real life experiences. You don't need to stop it. Because you don't know what a person is feeling unless you go through it yourself. Or you have to bash somebody when they are talking about what they faced, their own struggles. I know you go through it. No, una say, oh, you hate your mother, you're not no preacher, you're not this, you're not that. The lady is still hurt. That is the thing. And you hear the part where she say, her mother used to tell her the worst things, you're not going to come out to nothing. And even when she say, about what the man them do, or them say them not do it good enough. Come on, man. Anyway, family, talk to me in the comment section. Let me hear your opinion and your take on this one. Because I always tell you, your opinion matters.
Unstoppable you, unstoppable you, unstoppable you.